out. Please tell me, Wakefield. I'm all set for you now. Rigid.
1460, I just passed you. Are you, did he crash or all set?
Negative, stop to the red light. I'm out of the vehicle now.
I'll make the flip at 129, that's you. Station IQ, advise 15 Alpha, I'm going to be late for roll call for the fireworks.
That's right, sir. What's the picture of it? Why are you turning right now?
Passing multiple cars, really extremely reckless, still eastbound 37th. Alright, passing cars, looks like we're going to be southbound on the Boulevard. Southbound on the Boulevard.
What kind of bike is it? Look like he might run out of gas momentarily.
That's a sport style bike, white helmet. He's moving so fast it's really hard to get a description. I could tell it's just a sports bike, that's for sure. Passing 21st Street, like I said, really high rate of speed. Alright, already up to 17th Street, we are going to continue southbound. Almost crashed, still southbound. Looks like he's on the sidewalk now. And wipeout, he just crashed. South of 17th Street Boulevard. Yep, he's helmet down. He's standing by the bike right now.
Put your hands up, face away from me. Face away from me. Interlock your fingers on the back of your head. Walk back towards me. All right, interlace your fingers, all right? It's done. Don't be fucking stupid. You understand? Keep your hands like this or we're going to go to the ground. He's in custody. I have EMS in route for road rash. Outside of road rash, what do you have?
I don't think it is.
Just road